Hello everybody, welcome to the Story Galaxy. Today we are going to be learning the letter V and the sounds that V makes. So we will be reading My V Soundbox, written by Jane Belk Moncure and illustrated by Rebecca Thornborough. Little V had a box. "I will find things that begin with my V sound," she said. "I will put them into my sound box." Little V found violets, all kinds of pretty violets. She put some violets into a vase. Then she put the vase with the violets into her box. Next, Little V found a piece of velvet, very pretty velvet. She made a velvet vest. She put it on and pinned a velvet bow on it. She put velvet all around her box. "What a very pretty box," she said. Little V found a veil. "Oh," she said, "I can make something with my violets and velvet and veil." Do you know what Little V made? She made valentines. Very nice valentines. Then she found a valentine verse. "Roses are red, violets are blue. Sugar was sweet, so are you." She wrote the verse on her valentines. Then she filled her box with valentines. She pasted valentines all around the box. But some valentines fell out. "What shall I do with all these valentines?" she said. "I will send the valentines to my friends." Then Little V had a very good idea. She wrote another verse on each valentine. "Come to my party at 1 for Valentine's Day fun." She put the valentines into envelopes. She put her friends' names and addresses on the envelopes. There were very many. Little V got into her van and drove to the mailbox. When Little V got home, she got out the vacuum. She used the vacuum to clean up the scraps of velvet and valentines. On Valentine's Day, her friends came to her party. Each one brought valentines. Little V and her friends made valentine hats. They put on their valentine hats and played some games. Then they opened the valentines. What fun they had at the Valentine's Day party. Here are some of Little V's word lists. Vacuum, valentines, van, vase, veil, velvet, verse, vest, violet. Other words with Little V: valley, vampires, vegetables, vine, vinegar, violin, vitamins, volcano, volleyball. I hope you guys learned a lot of V sounds. I hope you enjoyed reading My V Soundbox. Please join us for more stories here at the Story Galaxy. Thank you for reading with us and take care.